Hey guys, welcome to this video today. I was hoping that this will never happen to me, and 2 days ago it happened. My WordPress has been hacked. Actually, my complete HostGator hosting has been hacked. I have lots of different hosting companies, and HostGator is one of the hosting companies I'm using for a couple of domains, and all these domains with WordPress on it has been hacked. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly what you can do, and I've been working really hard in the last couple of 2 days to make sure to learn these things, to learn the skills to be able to remove that, and I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do. So first, how do you know that your WordPress has been hacked? Okay, it's pretty easy. You just listen to your website users, or you will see on your own website that there is a problem. In my case, there was a wired redirect. So I have two WordPress back up running, and this was my blog. One was of the infected ones. Yeah, so there was a wired thing, and that was when people were clicking here on the links here, or just visited my domain, it was redirected to a wired Chinese shop style. Yeah, it was really bad, and I have removed that from this particular domain, from two domains. So I know that this is working now. I'm going to show you exactly now how I did that. Yeah. So there was wired Chinese stuff showing up, a redirect. There are lots of different ways how they hack WordPress sites. They're using redirects. They would just upload some wired stuff, or they will just you will just see a screen, your WordPress has been hacked, and so on. There's so many different ways, and there was actually one video from a YouTube guy. It's called Ben Martin, what explains everything really perfect. So it's a presentation. It's a 1-hour presentation, and I'm going to share that after I showed you how I removed that. Yeah, so I'm going to share that video with you. So if you want to learn more about that, if you don't want to pay a lot of money for that service, because these services are really not cheap, you should watch that video, and this video will help you. So I'm going to share that after I show you how I remove it. Okay, so first, what are you going to need? You're going to need FileZilla here. FileZilla. So if you haven't FileZilla, make sure you downloaded it. Just type in Google FileZilla download, and then you will be able to download that for free. Of course, it's a free tool here. And then here you need your server IP, username and password, and the port. So you should have that stuff already from your hosting company. If you have that not, just reach out to a hosting company and they will give you that. So I'm going to log in now here. Just going to don't want to that you see everything here on my screen. Just going to log in really short. Okay, we are logged in now, so great. Okay, so what you're going to do then now is really simple. So just go to your public HTML folder here, and then in here you should have your domains here. Okay, here are all my domains here, and then you just click on the domain, on the infected domain. So in my case, I did that with I cleaned stefanquickner.com and I cleaned Bing CPA Elite, as you can see here. These two here, I cleaned these two. So actually the Bing CPA Elite was a little bit harder to clean, but with the process what I'm doing, you will be able to do that. So it's pretty easy to do. You just follow these steps what I'm going to show you now. click on the infected domain. In my case now I'm going to clean next level solo ads, another domain from me. As you can see, I have here everything from HostGator. Just double click on it. Okay, and as you can see here, these are all the files in here. And okay, my domains has been hacked 2 days ago, and what you want to do now is you want to click on changed, that you can see the last changed files. And as you can see here, just a couple days ago these files has been changed. As you can see, these files are older files, though they should be good to go. Yeah, there are lots of different ways how they affect that and how they it's just not always the same process, but this will be most of the time it will be this problem that you just the files on your domain will be infected, and you can see that when you just click on last change. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to walk into these files now here. The index.php is a file what you need in WordPress. It will help you if you just Google that. Yeah, if you type in Google index.php WordPress, and then you will be able to see exactly how that file should look like. Yeah. Then what you want to do is you will create a folder now, and I'm going to call it next level solo ads hacked files. What we're going to do is we're going to create a short backup. That means before we make changes in these files, we want to make a backup, because it is the chance is that here that you completely mess everything up, that your website will break completely, and then you have these files what you can put back on, and then you can start trying it again or reaching out to a person who will be able to fix you that. Yeah. So I'm going to, you can see here, so these files here are in last changed just a couple days ago, so I'm pretty sure these are the files what are infected here. Okay, so this file here, index.php, is a file what is needed from WordPress. So I know that there is something fishy in here, so I'm going just to copy that in here, so that I have this file here in this folder. So make sure you have the file in this folder here. Let's check that. Yeah, I have got that file. Okay, so let's check that now, that file. Right click, open, and just open that file. And as you can see here, boom, there's a right code in here. So this is a code what is, yeah, this is a crappy code. And you can just when you have searched index.php for WordPress, you will be able to see how the file should look like. And then you can see here, this is a completely crap code here. We need to remove that here. So what we're going to do is, that is still needed here. We're going to remove everything here. Remove that. Oh, there's a last line. Make sure you don't forget anything here. It's really important. Yeah. Okay, great. So we're going to delete this code here. Bam. Bam. Okay, great. So now we're going to save that. Save. I'm going to click that, and then we're going to click yes, of course. As you can see, it will be a little bit smaller, the file now. Should be smaller. Yeah, as you can see, it's really smaller now. Okay, great. First thing is done. Then next, thanks PHP. We're going to copy that into the hacked files folder here. Make sure you have it in. I have it. So I'm going to just check that file here. Let's check our file, and you can see here, hacked by Gray. Everything is crap in here. I know that. I have googled that file. This file is completely crap. That file we have, of course, we have the backup ready here. We're going to delete that file as well here. So I'm not sure about these files here. I know this file, the sitemap file, is needed, and that is a bigger file. So I will just keep that, and I will keep an eye on that. Yeah, but I know that these files are needed, so that is maybe these are just needed. As you can see here, there's another file, but this is just a crap file. As you can see very soon, hacked by Gray. We don't need to back up the txt file here, test, and I know that this is as well a crap file here. Okay, hacked by Gray. Great. Just going to delete as well that file here. Okay, so great. So this was pretty much the process, how that works. It was pretty easy. So this domain has not been affected a lot, yeah, because I was able to clear that right out of the gate, because one of my website visitor told me what wired things are going on your what wired thing is going on in your domain. What wired Chinese thing is going on your domain, and I was asking him what, and I was looking at my domain, and yeah, I noticed I've been hacked. So this was pretty easy. So that's pretty much the process, and sometimes you see even a lot more files what will be infected. So this file here, for example, is a lot bigger, so we're going to look into that as well here. You can look into that. I think this file, yeah, this file is good. Yeah, this file is good. If you're not sure, just Google it and you will see in forums and everything all about that file, and you can just make sure that you not delete the wrong files. Why are we using the backup? Because if you test out then your domain, then let's test it. Let's test that file. Yeah, domain is working. Great. Domain is working again. That's pretty good. Links are working. Hey guys, welcome to Next Level Solo. So everything is working here. It's pretty good. Fine. And if you have the problem that you broke the website, you will just drop in back these files what you have made the backup. Just drop them back into here, just drop them here and just drop them in this folder, and then these files will be back in, and then you can restart again from scratch. Okay, that was pretty much the process. So this was a little bit easy here on this domain, but actually these domains was pretty hard because there was lots of files what have been affected. So in this particular Ping CPA Elite, there was a lot of stuff going on. I'm going to show you that really short. So there were 3 files what have been affected, yeah, with such codes, yeah. So just have to make sure that you delete the right things. If you delete the wrong things, you can start again over, yeah. Okay, that was pretty much the process, and that helped me, and I just wanted to let you know the video what helped me really to go into that. Yeah, I forgot one thing that is really important. What you want to do now, yeah, you want to really change the passwords, but you don't just want to change the passwords from your domain, yeah, from your WordPress login. That is let's just log into here. Where is my password? Is not working. But I'm sure I think the password. Sometimes the password manager is just not working. Give me just 1 second. Yeah. So it looks like My password manager is as well sometimes stupid, so it looks like it just got the wrong. Where is my? Oh, here it is. Sorry, took a couple minutes. Oh, it was a different. This was a different username. So okay. Going to create a new password here. Okay. So I should be able to log into now. Come on, where it is? Yeah, great. We're going to save that. Okay, what you want to do then, yeah, on your domain. This is very important. What you want to do first is, you see there are lots of updates what I should have made. Yeah, I need to make these updates here. So WordPress updates, that is very important that you always update your WordPress. Check again. An updated version of WordPress is available. So we always want to update that. So it should be always on the newest WordPress. That is very important. Yeah, that you update all your stuff on your WordPress domain. So I actually have not done that, and that is really bad. I should do that in the future. So update WordPress, and very important that you update your plugins as well. Yeah, that is as well very important. Yeah, you always have to update your plugins as well. So let's check the plugins what I have here now. I can see here update now. Update, update, update. So I have not done that. That is really bad. And what you want to do then is you want to change all passwords then from that domain. Yeah. So I have done that already. I just changed the password, the login password. You want to check then your users here. If there is a new user, I'm just here. Here's my admin. If you have here more than one, you just delete that user. Maybe there is a new user what has access now, what didn't have before. So you want to delete that user. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty much the process what you have to do. And of course, you want to change the password from your hosting company. Yeah, because as you saw, there's the chance that these people have access to your domain and to your hosting. Yeah, and they have access to all of your domains in here. So you want to change now this password what you used here. That is very important. That's the password from your hosting company. Change all passwords. That is really important as well. Okay guys, I will show you, as I have promised, the video what I have been watched. Let's give him 1 second. So this is the guy here, Ben Martin, and this is the video, how to identify and fix a hacked WordPress website. And he runs in a really great presentation in every different problem what you can have with it, and what you can, how you can check that, what problem if you have, and what you can do then. This is really a great video. You should really watch that. It takes an hour, but it's so much knowledge in this short video. So I will post that video as well around, because I really like that, and I subscribe to him. And of course, if you like the stuff, everything related to marketing and online stuff, CPA, I'm doing a lot of videos. Make sure you subscribe to me as well. I would be happy to have you as one of my subscribers. I will post a lot of content as well. And what I want to do now, I will create a new video on plugins. Yeah, there are different plugins what will help you to avoid these hackers to get into this system, to WordPress. Yeah, I'm going to record a new video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I was able to help you, and I wish you a great day wherever you are, and see you in one of my next videos. Guys, thank you very much. Bye.